Question 4. Solve this minus this is 0. Okay, so we have 4, we have 2, we have 16. Okay, maybe we can reduce all to base 2. So 4 is 2 square, 2m plus 1. Then this one, negative 16, we can bring over that side. We can say equals to 16 power m. And 16 is 2 power 4 lah. Okay, so we can say 2 power 4 m. Then, since this is related by times and the bases are same, we can add the power. We can say 2 plus m plus 1 equals to 2. These two powers we have to times 4m because it's right next to each other. Right now, since we have base 2, we can compare the powers. So 2 plus m plus 1 is 3 plus m equals to 4m. M we bring there, 3m equals to 3, therefore m equals to 3 over 3, which is 1.